PJ Masks are trapped in ice globes.
Oh no! Oh, there's Owlette! Oh no!
We gotta get him out. Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi!
And today we're going to be trapping the PJ Mask in ice globes, so stay tuned. First, we're going to put the PJ Mask in their own colored balloons. We're going to do the same thing with Gekko and Owlette now. Now they're trapped! And their powers are absorbed in the balloons. Now we're going to put them in the freezer and wait until tomorrow. Hi, I'm Scientist Corban, and I got a call that I should rescue the PJ Mask.
Oh no, what happened, Scientist Corban?
The PJ Masks are trapped in ice globes.
Oh no!
We gotta get them out.
Where are they?
They're in here, and you can see Gekko. You can see Gekko right in that one.
I see Gekko. Oh no, he's trapped!
And other ones are trapped too. I'm not sure if you can see Owlette. She's the little speck in there.
There's Owlette! And can we see Catboy? Oh, we can't see Catboy.
Now I gotta get him out. Take the balloon off now. Oh wow, it's ice.
Oh, I see Catboy.
Now I'm gonna get Owlette out. I'm gonna cut the balloons open by safety scissors. Giant ice.
Oh, there's Owlette. Oh no.
Backward. And then I gotta get Gekko.
All right, gotta get Gekko out.
Now we're gonna put salt on it because from another video that we did, we know salt melts ice.
All right, Scientist Corban.
Do it. Look, I only got a hole in Catboy.
Oh, I see. So the salt is working.
We need too much salt on this. We're gonna try something else now.
All right, let's try something else.
Now we're gonna use hot water. Catboy's almost free.
Catboy is almost free.
Now we're adding more hot water. Oh, I see Catboy. He's coming out.
Oh yeah, he's coming out.
Oh my goodness, Catboy's almost out.
Is he free?
He's free.
Catboy is free.
I broke with my own hands.
All right.
Gekko's almost out. Look. He broke. Oh my goodness, Owlette's almost out too.
All right, Gekko is free.
Owlette is out too.
Owlette is free. Yay!
We did it. We freed the PJ Mask. You can try securing with any toys you have at home. So thanks for watching. Bye. And make sure to subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.